magic wand tricks. I'm going to make a magic wand appear out of this scarf. So just like that, and like this, and hey, look at that. Now, watch. Wow. Maybe this. And then, ta-da! Magic wand explanations. So, this is a trick magic wand, and basically the end slides, just like that. So, when you make something appear out of the scarf, you need to preset the wand with the two ends together. Put this down your sleeve just like this, and sort of palm the wand in your hand. And then hold it, try to hold it as naturally as possible. This is where practice comes in. And you have the scarf here covering some of the wand on the end. So when you say, I'm going to make something disappear out of this scarf, you distract them over here, and then you cover the top end of the wand with the scarf, and then take hold of the top white piece and pull out while you're covering. So it looks like you're pulling the wand out of the scarf. And once it's completely open, you're safe. Now, if you want to put the wand up your nose, in this case, you cover the top part, put it up to your face, and push. And make some noise. But while you're doing this, the actual wand is slipping down your arm, covering the end of the wand. And to pull it out, you move it down to your mouth and float. Oh boy. And that's how you put it up your nose. Now, if you want to put it on your body, same thing. You put the end of the wand on your body, cover this part, but leave this end so they can see the white part, and you push. And as you're pushing, the end of the wand is actually slipping this way down your arm, but out of view of the audience. And then you pull out, slide it, and finish off like that. Now to do the shrinking part, same thing, but this time you want to make sure that both ends are showing so that they can see the middle part is getting smaller. But actually, you're just slipping the wand behind your arm. See that? And the same thing, you just expand it. Oh, and that's how you shrink the wand.